Hey y'all, Simone, Nicole, and I'm back with another Amazon wig review and unboxing. So let's get right into it, y'all. Now, it's been a minute since I reviewed like some true Amazon wigs, y'all, but I have a whole bunch for y'all and I know that's what y'all want to see, so I'm gonna keep it coming for y'all. So I'm not gonna waste no time. Let's jump right into this video and unbox and review this wig. And this wig is 30 inches. This is a body wave 13 by 480 density body wave wig, y'all. Let's get into this unboxing. Like, I'm excited. I got a whole bunch of them, y'all, and I'm just ready to review and install them for y'all and show y'all. Like I said, 13 by 4, 30 inches. So far, let's get into this. Baby. Oh. Okay, because she's giving 30 inches, so like let's really get into this. And on the description on Amazon, it does say that this is a wear and go body wave wig with pre-plucked skin-like lace. We're gonna see if this lace is skin-like and if it's pre-plucked, because one thing about me, I know if a wig is pre-plucked and I know if some lace can lay good or not. At a first glance, they said this wig was pre-plucked, and it doesn't really look pre-plucked to me. I mean, because I know I've gotten some really good pre-plucked wigs before, but like this one just doesn't give me pre-plucked. So let's see. This is what she's giving. And I mean, the hairline in the front is a little bit thinner than it is like in the back, but it's definitely not like pre-plucked for real. Like, you can't wear this and go. So I will be bleaching the knots on this unit and plucking this unit. This is the texture of the wig. Body wave. So far, can y'all see it good? Okay, body wave. It's very soft, y'all. And this is what the lace is looking like. 13 by 4. It comes with a little strap in here. Okay, that's nice. The lace, 4 inches right here. A little smaller on the sides. The lace doesn't look super thin, but it also doesn't look like so white. I mean, it's still white. We're still going to put makeup and everything and melt it, but you know, like that's easy to do. That's not hard to do, so I'm not tripping about that at all. And definitely gonna have to pluck this wig, bleach it. Not tripping about that either, because that's easy, and I like customizing my wig the way I like, so no worries about that at all. So yeah, y'all, this is the unit out the box. This is the length of it. This hair right here that I'm wearing is 28 inches, but this is like a different texture, so I can't really compare, you know, like as far as length goes. But I mean, this wig does look to be like 30 inches in my opinion. So also, as far as fullness goes, I've had fuller wigs before, but like with Amazon wigs where you're paying such a low price, like, you know, you can only expect so much, and I don't expect these wigs to be crazy full. I do in some cases get some wigs off Amazon that are really full. I'm going to bleach this unit, pluck this unit and everything, then I'm gonna come back and review it once I install it and all that. So yeah, y'all stay tuned and don't go nowhere. BRB. Alright, y'all, so let's get into this install. I plucked this unit off camera and bleached the knots, and I did put makeup on this lace. So now I'm going to start by, first of all, cutting some of this lace out of my face, because this is like a wedding veil. Like, this is too much, and I'm going to cut off extra lace that's here on the sides of the wig. So like I said, y'all, I'm just starting by cutting off this lace to get this out of my face to help me work better with this wig. And then I'm cutting off the extra lace on the sides with my eyebrow razor and making sure that fits snug and comfortably around my ear. So once I'm done with that, I part out my baby hairs and my sideburns. So once that's done, I pull my lace back and I start applying my glue. And I'm using Ebro Wonder Lace Bond, which is a liquid adhesive. It's not necessarily a lace glue, but this is the adhesive that I like to use. So I start by putting one layer of that and smoothing that out. And then I go in with the second layer and put a generous amount and then smooth that out as well. Once I spray that, I don't put my wig directly on right after spraying. I do let it get a little bit tacky, maybe let it dry for like 30 seconds to a minute, and then I apply my lace. Once I apply my lace, I'm just combing the hair out the way and pushing the lace into my skin. And one thing I can say about this wig, y'all, is that it fits very snug on my head. Like, some of these wigs be way too loose in the front and in the back. but this one feels so tight. Like I feel like I could really wear this as a glueless frontal, which I don't never do, because the frontals don't never really be glueless to me. Like they be lifting up and they don't be looking like natural. But with this one, even before I put the glue on and everything, y'all, it was so tight on my head. Like I had to roll it back, which I think that's a good thing, that it fits tight. And I didn't have to cut off a lot of lace, which lets me know that it was a good fit from the jump. So I didn't have to cut off a lot of lace, and it fits very snug, which that's very, very good. I'm gonna let the glue dry a little bit, because I don't like when my glue is still too wet and I put the band on and then the baby hairs get like too much glue in them and they get crunchy, and then the band will stick to the hairline a little bit sometimes. So I'll let it dry just for like 1 more minute, then I'll put the band on. All right, now band is on and I'm cutting my baby hairs. I really don't know how I want to style this hair, but I think I want to do a half up, half down. But like with straight hair, you could just do so much. And I don't want to do a side part, because I always do side parts. And plus, this is not a full 13x4, so I feel like side parts be looking funny when it's not a full lace. I could do a middle part with curls, but like that's just so, you know, I don't know. I feel like that's so simple. Even though I love a middle part with curls, because I feel like I love simple actually. Like those are my favorite hairstyles, and I feel like that always eats down, but I feel like I've been doing that a lot lately. I mean, not that I won't do it again, but I just want to do something different today. So I think I'm gonna do a half up, half down with bangs and baby hair. So we're gonna see how this goes. All right, so now I'm taking my bio silk and I'm smoothing this all over my hair before I start straightening the hair. And then I'm going in very small sections, parting out this hair and using my comb and my Bay Bliss flat iron, and I'm going in sections, getting this silky smooth and straight. And y'all, that hair be so hot. Like once I take it off the flat iron and it falls on my skin, it literally burns. So now I'm taking my band off and I'm cutting off this lace, and I am cutting a widow's peak into this hairline because that's what I've been doing with all my wigs lately, and I like that the best because I feel like it looks the most natural that way. Or what you can do is, before you even install the wig, you can just kind of like pull out some hair in the front to make a widow's peak instead of trying to cut the lace into a widow's peak. That might be easier for some of y'all to just pull out the hair on the sides and the front until it makes a widow peak, if that makes sense. Like yanking the hair out the lace instead of trying to cut the lace into that shape after it's laid down already. So now I'm just taking my little flat iron and curling my baby hairs, and then adding some more makeup to this lace where it got chalky after I cut it. And boom, I just love the wonders of what makeup can do. And now I'm taking my melting spray, and we're about to put this band back on and melt this lace, and also lay these baby hairs before we do that as well. Laying my baby hairs, to me, is just very easy. I just literally take my brush and lay them down the way I want them to look. Yeah. And now I'm taking my hair wax stick that I got from Shein. Y'all, I'm not lying. I literally love that hair wax stick. Shein sent that to me for a video, but I actually love that stick, and I'm going to order some more because it's the best one I ever use as far as wigs go. Like that stick right there works it's so bomb. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be ordering some more. And I'm going in sections to mold my hair into a slick back ponytail for this half up, half down. So I'm just taking the back of the wig and I put wax on it. Then I'm taking my hot comb and hot combing it flat. Then I'm pinning that up, parting out another little section, doing the same thing until all the hair is pushed back and ready to go into a sleek and smooth ponytail. I don't rush on this part. I make sure to use a lot of wax, a lot of heat, and free spray to get this to mold and lay down super duper flat. And y'all can see just right here how shiny and smooth and sleek that is. Like, that's how I like my hair to look if I'm doing a ponytail or a slick back. I just love the way this looks, and I'm just like, this is really eating. I'm looking at myself, feeling myself like, yeah, definitely giving. I always start getting excited when I see hairstyle come together. Is it not tea? Like, this wig is just tea. I could do so many different styles with this straight hair. That's what I just love about a straight wig or a body wave wig. We can do so many different styles. Period. So now here I'm just cutting some bangs, and I wanted my bangs to give like very much blunt. And this ended up giving Y2K, which I thought was so cute. But like, that's the look I was going for. I wanted my bangs to be very like noticeable and very clean looking. And yeah, so to match my bangs, I just cut my ends kind of blunt too right here. I didn't cut off a lot because I did want to keep this length, but I just wanted everything to match and look very neat and clean. And that's what it gave. And like, I literally love the way this turned out. This actually turned out better than I thought. Like, when I try different styles like this, that's not just like a simple middle or side part. I don't always know if it's going to turn out exactly how I imagine it in my head, but this turned out really freaking cute. What I will say is about that makeup I just put on my part, I could have went a little darker because that makeup was very, very light. But besides that, this look just turned out so bomb. This is how the unit turned out, and this is the style I decided to do. And I think that this turned out really stinking cute. Like, I love bangs like this, y'all. Super duper easy to do, not hard at all. Yeah, this hairstyle was just really easy to do. I don't know, I feel like it looks so freaking cute. Like, I just feel like I look so cute. Now y'all, this wig is a bit thin. I just have to be honest, but I mean, for the price, it's kind of what I expected, so do keep that in mind. Super duper silky straight. It pressed out really nicely. The lace melted clearly very nicely. I don't know, it doesn't matter if it's a transparent lace, a HD lace, or whatever kind of lace. It doesn't matter because you can lay it. Like, with these Amazon wigs, I be slaying and they be looking so good. Like, look at this. This wig is so freaking affordable and from Amazon. 2-day shipping, super affordable. Like, I don't know, I'll never be too good for an Amazon wig ever. So yeah, y'all, that's the final looks of this hair. This is the XCTEEVE, I think that's how it's spelled, unit from Amazon. It'll be on my Amazon storefront, and I'll have the name in the caption of this video and in the description box as well for y'all to find this wig. Once you go to my Amazon storefront, I have this wig in 30 inches, and this is a 13x4. And I checked the price of this unit the other day, and it was like $25, which I don't know why the wig is discounted so much right now. If you're watching this back later from now, it'll probably be a different price, but nonetheless, it'll still be super affordable. These Amazon wigs don't ever cost too much. So yeah, make sure y'all click my Amazon storefront to shop this unit and to shop other affordable units. This unit right here is so bomb, and y'all got the full tutorial on how to duplicate this style right here. So what are y'all waiting for? Click that link down below. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon wig content just like this and more content. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.